let's fix the exhaust leak on this Polaris RZR. All right, first we gotta jack it up. We're gonna take this one bolt off. There's supposed to be two, but we're gonna take this one off. All right, we got the exhaust off. Here's the old exhaust gasket. This is what the new one looks like. Take out this old stud and we're gonna put two new ones in because one of them fell out. Here's the tool I'll be using to install the exhaust studs. It has these little nylon balls that when you rotate the studs, it binds onto it so you're able to torque it in there without messing up your threads. All right, we're ready to put this exhaust back on. We got the two new head stud bolts in, so we can bolt this on again. I'm just tightening the two bolts that go onto the header, and then we'll be done and we'll start it and see if it sounds better. Oh yeah, that sounds way better. I'm not losing my eardrum anymore.